Hey guys, welcome to NTI Day 17. Got a couple of different things I want to try today, so let me know if it helps you or doesn't. First of all, as you can see on the screen, my cursor is kind of lit up. So as I read, I'm going to go over top of what I'm reading. So if you need to come back, you can tell where I am when I'm reading. Also, for those of you that watched the video today, we're going to go over these answers together. So you will be able to know for sure whether you got your answers right or wrong. Okay. So I'm also going to draw on my screen a little bit. And so hopefully these things will be interesting and help you a little bit with your work. So today we have just this short little passage with 4 questions. We're going to do this every Tuesday and Thursday to give you a little break. Our one yesterday was pretty long about the very hungry kid, if you remember that one. Today we're doing this little short one. And then on Wednesday, starting tomorrow, we're going to have a longer passage that's a little bit harder with some harder questions. Okay, so we'll work on that one tomorrow. But today, our passage is called Smart Snacks. And if you can see up here, what we're working on today is organization. So that's going to be why the author put the information in the specific order that they did. Okay, so let's look at Smart Snacks. It's not hard to see why cheeseburgers, fries, pizza, and ice cream are popular. They're delicious. But not everything that tastes good is good for you. The next time you need to feed, consider Smart Snacks. Nearly everyone loves French fries made from potatoes. Did you know that other root vegetables taste great too? Root vegetables include beets, carrots, and sweet potatoes. They contain important vitamins and minerals, and they can all do the jobs a potato can do. Raw carrots are crunchy and satisfying. Cooked beets and sweet potatoes are full of flavor. Peel them and cut them into strips just like fries. Give them a try. You'll forget all about French fries. Discovering new foods can be fun. Plus, if you eat healthful foods, you'll be less likely to get sick. You'll also have more energy to run and play, and you'll be able to think more clearly and for longer periods of time. So start snacking smartly. All right. So it tells us all about healthy snacks. Okay, so first of all, if you can see right here in our strategy practice, it says underline 2 facts in the passage and draw a box around 2 opinions. And down here, number 1 says which of these is a fact. So the first thing we need to do is we need to see what the difference is between a fact and an opinion, okay? And we've talked about this in class a bunch of times. So first of all, a fact is what? Something that you can prove, okay? My sweatshirt is gray. It says Kentucky. I can prove that. It says Kentucky right here, and it's gray, okay? Those are facts. An opinion would be, this is the greatest sweatshirt of all time. Because that might be something I believe, but that's not necessarily something that everyone else believes, and you cannot prove that, okay? So, an opinion is something that someone else believes, but you can't prove it with facts, okay? So, first of all, our strategy practice, underline 2 facts in the passage. So I want to look back into this passage, and I want to find 2 things that are facts that I can prove, and I want to underline them, okay? So, let's see. Here in the second passage, or in the second paragraph, we start to get some information, okay? Nearly everyone loves French fries made from potatoes. Did you know that other root vegetables taste great too? Root vegetables include beets, carrots, and sweet potatoes. Now, can we prove that root vegetables are beets, carrots, and sweet potatoes? Or that those 3 are root vegetables? I think we can. We can look and find out if beets, carrots, and sweet potatoes are root vegetables, can't we? So let's underline that. That is a fact. Okay? Now let's keep going. They contain important vitamins and minerals, and they can all do the jobs a potato can. Can we prove that these root vegetables contain important vitamins and minerals? I think we can. So we can underline that. Now, if you notice down here in the strategy practice, it says draw a box around 2 opinions. So, look at this. Raw carrots are crunchy and satisfying. Can we prove that raw carrots are satisfying? Or is that just something someone believes? Yeah, I think that's something someone just believes. So we need to draw a box around that because that is an opinion. Okay? Because some people might not think raw carrots are satisfying. Now, let's keep going. Cooked beets and sweet potatoes are full of flavor. Is that a fact or is that an opinion? Can we prove that they're full of flavor? Would everyone think they're full of flavor? Maybe. But does that make it a fact? No. That is an opinion. So let's draw a box around that too. Okay? All right. So we've got underlined here 1 and 2 facts. And then down here we have boxes around 2 opinions. Okay, so that finishes our strategy practice. All right, let's look at number 1 real quick because it still talks about facts and opinions. I'm going to go ahead and wipe the screen here, so make sure you've got those down. If you don't yet, you can come back and pause it. All right. So let's look back at number 1. Which of these is a fact? So which one of these 4 can we prove is true? Okay. Ice cream is delicious. That's definitely true. But is that my opinion? Yes, that's an opinion. The word delicious is always going to be an opinion. Okay. B, carrots are satisfying. Now, can I prove that carrots are satisfying, or is that just something that someone might think? Yeah, you cannot prove that carrots are satisfying. That's an opinion. C, everyone loves French fries. Now, whether that's true or not, it still makes it an opinion, okay? Not a fact. D, beets have vitamins. Can you prove that beets have vitamins? Can you look at a package of beets and say, oh yeah, there's vitamins right there? You sure can. So our answer for number 1 is D. Hey guys, I'm still getting good at this too, okay? All right, number 2. Which of these is not an effect of eating healthful foods? So if you eat healthy foods, which of these would not be something that happens because you're eating healthy foods? A, getting fewer minerals, which means are you getting less minerals because you're eating healthy foods? I don't know. Let's keep that one and come back. B, being able to concentrate better. Can you concentrate better from eating healthful foods? I think it says that up in the passage. C, being less likely to get sick. Are you less likely to get sick because you're eating healthful foods? Yeah, I think so. It says it right here. You'll be less likely to get sick. Okay. D, having more energy to play. Is that in the passage? You'll also have more energy to run and play. Well, what do you know? So what do we think our answer is? Let's go back to A there, getting fewer minerals. That is not the correct answer. That is the correct answer because it's not an effect of eating healthful foods. You get more minerals. All right. Number 3. Which of these is an opinion about root vegetables? So now we're thinking about which one of these is the opinion, which one is just something someone believes. A, carrots are crunchy. I don't know. Let's keep going. B, beets taste as good as potatoes. Can we prove that beets taste as good as potatoes? I don't know. That might be something someone thinks. Let's keep going. C, sweet potatoes are a root vegetable. Can we prove that sweet potatoes are a root vegetable? We can. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm marking that one out because we know that's not right. Okay? D, root vegetables can be cut to look like French fries. Can you cut a root vegetable to look like a French fry? Yeah, you can. That's not an opinion. All right, so we have gotten rid of 2 of our answers. We've only got 2 left. Let's see which one of these is an opinion. Carrots are crunchy. Can you break a carrot in half and see that it's crunchy? You can. Let's look at B. Beets taste as good as potatoes. Is that an opinion? Could some people like beets not as much as potatoes? Like they really love potatoes, but they really hate beets? I think that's true. So I believe our answer is B. Okay. All right. Let's look at number 4. What is this passage mostly about? Now remember, we're not thinking about which of these might be true. A little bit for the passage. We're talking about what is this passage mostly about, okay? How to make French fries. Is this passage mostly about how to make French fries? It is not. So we're going to mark that one out. B, the most popular snack foods. Are we talking about the most popular snack foods in this passage? The most popular snacks that all kids like. Is it cooked beets, sweet potatoes, and raw carrots? I don't think so. I do not think so. This is not about the most popular snack foods. Is this passage about what to eat when you're sick? Now, up here, they do say you'll be less likely to get sick if you eat these, but is that the only time it talks about sick? Yeah, I don't think that's right either. Hopefully, D is correct, or we're in trouble. All right, D, healthful snacks you can make from vegetables. Is that what this passage is mostly about? Does it talk about healthy snacks that can come from specifically root vegetables, but vegetables? Yeah, I think so. All right, so our answer is D. All right, so that is it for NTI Day 17. Hopefully you watched the video because you got all of the answers. And tomorrow we'll come back with our a little bit longer of a passage, okay? So let me know if this helped you out at all. Maybe it didn't. We'll keep going this way because I think it is helpful. So, all right, guys, way to go. See you tomorrow.